Around Congress MP Imran Masood has emerged as a key trigger in Assam Congress crisis, and it stems directly from his role in ticket decisions. Masood has been made a part of the screening committee for the state, a crucial body that finalizes candidates ahead of elections. It is during these deliberations that the rift became public, with Pradyut Bordoloi alleging that his concerns were dismissed by Imran Masood as false in front of the party high command, leading to what he described as humiliation and loss of self-respect. This comes against the backdrop of an earlier controversy around Imran Masood's remarks on Vande Mataram and Bhagat Singh. Now, as leaders like Bordoloi and Nabajyoti Talukdar exit the party, they are linking their discontent directly to Masood's role in Assam, a charge that Masood vehemently denies.
और सहारनपुर में बहुत दूरी है और भगत सिंह सहारनपुर के रहने वाले थे और हमारे सर के ताज हैं। शहीद आजम हैं भगत सिंह का पूरा परिवार सहारनपुर में रहता है और मेरे साथ उनके पारिवारिक रिश्ते हैं, तो मुझे ये समझाने की कोशिश ना करें। दूसरी बात, वंदे मातरम कांग्रेस के हर अधिवेशन में गाया जाता है, हर अधिवेशन में वंदे मातरम गाया जाता है। बीजेपी का एजेंडा चलाने की कोशिश करोगे तो लोगों को समझ में आएगा कि आप बीजेपी का एजेंडा चला रहे हो। हेमंता के टच में है तो फिर आप हेमंता के टच में यहाँ रहकर गद्दारी क्यों कर रहे थे? आप हेमंता के टच में है तो आप खुद ही स्वीकार कर रहे हैं, तो फिर आपको टिकट का क्या मतलब रह गया था अगर आप हेमंतों के टच के अंदर है? ये तो सब पैसे का खेल है, पूरा का पूरा पैसे का खेल चल रहा है, इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है।
At a time when the Congress in Assam is unraveling, with senior leaders quitting, allegations of humiliation flying thick and fast, and a row simmering over Imran Masood's role in ticket decisions, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra are raising concerns over, believe it or not, bus associations. An important concern, yes, but also shows a dichotomy. The Gandhi sibling met Union Minister Nitin Gadkari alongside bus bodybuilders and flagged industry concerns. Nitin Gadkari too warned that poor quality bus fittings are costing lives and will not be tolerated. But the political contrast is stark. Congress raising policy issues in Delhi while losing control of its own rank and file in Assam. The big question is also about Congress party's own structure. Because if the driver is unclear, if the crew is exiting, and if the route itself is being questioned, then who exactly is driving the Congress bus on Assam Pole Highway? Sample the reactions.
It's very unfortunate, and I think he was upset over one ticket allocation, and I think that I wish that we had had a chance to have a conversation about it. It's unfortunate.
मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहता हूं कि आसाम में जनता कांग्रेस की सरकार को वापस लाना चाहती है। चुनाव परिणाम आने दीजिए। आसाम में